In such a case, what do we do? It can be a very difficult task to find a particular word. It can be as difficult as finding a needle in a haystack. Well, this task of finding words or phrases can be reduced greatly by using the find function of Word. The find function is in the editing group of the ribbon tab. This button is divided into two parts. Click on the part that has the drop-down arrow and you can see a few more options. Click on the Find option. When you do that, a navigation pane is added to the left-hand side of the screen. The old-fashioned Find and Replace dialog box is now replaced with this navigation pane. We have to type the word that we are looking for in this text box. Let's find the word India. Click on the text box and type India. When you do that, all the instances of the word India are highlighted in the document. If we scroll through the document using the scroll bar, you can see that there are many instances of the word India in the document. In the navigation pane, you can see that there are 101 matches, and in the bottom section, it is displaying a message that there are too many results to preview. Let's search for a different word. First, delete the content in the text box and type arts. Word found 3 matches, and in the bottom section, you can see that 3 places with the word arts were found. To go to that particular section in the document, just click on this tab and you are directed to the section having the word art. This is a great feature of the navigation pane that we can use. We can even find particular objects in a Word document. Click on the drop-down arrow and choose the graphics option to find the images that are inserted in the documents. You can see that the first image in the document is selected. To go to the next image, click on this down arrow. Using these arrows, we can browse through the various images in the document. Click on the drop-down arrow and click on the Advanced Find option. This will open the Find and Replace dialog box. Previously, we found all the instances of the word India. We know the word India is a proper noun, so it is very important that all the instances of the word India should start with a capital I. We know that the word India is mentioned 101 times in the document. Going to each of the locations and checking if it is correctly written can be a very tough job. In such cases, we can use the words Replace function. Click on the Replace button. You can see a new text box is added. Click on the Replace with text box and type India with a capital I. Click on the Find What text box, delete arts and type India with lowercase letters. Click on Find Next button. You will see that the word India is highlighted. This word does not need correction. Click on the Find Next option. This will highlight the next word. In this case, the word India is starting with a small I. To replace it, click on the Replace button. When you do that, Word will replace the word India with a capital I and automatically jump to the next word. Doing this the next 101 times is going to be very boring. So to speed up the job, just click the Replace All button. Word acknowledges that it has reached the end of the document and 101 replacements were made. In this way, sometimes the Find and Replace option really comes in very handy. This concludes our tutorial on Find and Replace.